We continue with exercise 12.2. Question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. What do we have to find? Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, so have a look at the clock here. So again, when you look at the diagram, this is the minute hand, right? They've given us how much it is? 14 centimeter. So the next 5 minutes, will it go here? The minute hand, right? It's going to go here, and you will see that it has formed a sector. And they're asking us to find this area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes, right? Which means I just have to put it in the formula for area of a sector, and then I'll be able to get the answer here. Clear? So one thing you will notice is that I need to know the theta, because when you look at the formula, pi r squared theta, radius we know, right? Pi also we know, 22/7, but we don't know the theta. We have to first know theta is how much, right? The degree. Okay, so have a look at the solution. Minute hand equals the radius equals 14 centimeter. Angle swept by the minute hand in 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, it will make one complete revolution here, right? So we know that the clock is in the shape of a circle, so the total angle will be equal to 360 degree, right? So this for 60 minutes. Let us try to find for angle swept by the minute hand in 1 minute. That means the 60 will go down. I can divide it 0 0, then 6 1 6 6 6 36. That means when a minute hand moves here 1 minute, it makes an angle of 6 degree, right? So how much how far the minute hand moves? 5 minutes till here, right? Which means I just have to multiply 5 into 6. In 1 minute it is 6 degree, right? So I just have to multiply, and I'm going to get the theta to be equal to here 30 degree. Now we know all the value, right? So we just have to put it directly in the formula for area of a sector. All right, this is a minor sector, right? All right, so now once I put the value, I just have to simplify. All right, so once again, remember this is 30 degree. So pi is 22/7, radius is 14, theta is 30, and now let's start dividing. Then I can divide 0 0, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 7 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are, then 2 11s. All right, I'll be left with 11 into 14, which I'm going to get once I multiply 154/3 centimeter square. So that is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. All right, question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius. Remember, they've given us a radius, and they're saying subtends a right angle at the center of the circle. So when you look here, right, so they've given us a radius OA and OA, right, OA and OB, so 10 10, and they said it subtends an angle at the center, how much? 90 degree. All right, what do we have to find? Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment. All right, so minor segment means you already know this is a minor segment, right? How do you find? I have to find area of the sector, this, right? Area of the sector minus area of this triangle. So when I subtract these two, I'll get the area of this minor segment. Clear? So you can see the given and no radius given, angle at the center definitely given to us 90 degrees. So let's first find for the sector. Okay, sector means this, right? Pi r squared theta by 360, radius given, theta given. So now let's divide 0 0, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. When you multiply 3.14 into 10 into 10, I'll just get 314, which when I divide, I'll get 78.5. So this is how much now? Area of the minor sector is 78.5. All right, next I have to know the area of this triangle, right? So let's find out. All right, now area of triangle AOB. So remember, like they've already given to us what is the degree here. This is 90 degree, right? Which means in this triangle there will be a height and a base, right? If I twist it around, it will look something like this. Okay, the height is here and this is the base. So the formula will simply be base into height. So remember, this is your base, this is your height. So when you look here, it's up to you. Okay, this can be your height, this can be your base, or this can be your height and this can be your base. It's up to you. All right, so base into height, they are both same, right? OA and OB. OA is 10, OB is also 10. So 10 into 10, I can divide 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. I'm going to get the area of the triangle to be 50 centimeters. So remember, I'm also find this minor segment, this region, right? So how they get area of the sector minus area of this triangle, I'll be left with this area minor segment. So I've written here area of sector. Sector means, remember, minor sector, right? Minus area of triangle. So area of the sector, we got it to be 78.5, and then area of triangle we just got now 50 centimeter square, right? When you subtract, we're going to get the area of the minor segment to be 28.5 centimeter square. Okay, now the second part, they told us to find the area of the major sector, right? So pretty simple. This is a minor, this is a major. So how do you find area of the circle, right? The whole circle minus area of this minor sector, I'll get this area or the major sector. So you can see area of the circle minus area of the minor sector. So area of the circle, what is the formula? Pi r square. And remember, in this question they told us to use pi equals 3.14, right? Radius is already given to us, we know it was 10 and 10, right? Radius was 10, so r square, so 2 times 10. All right, now when you multiply 3.14 into 10 into 10, I'll get 314. Then area of the minor sector is 78.5, right? So when you subtract, we'll get the area of the major sector to be equal to 235.5 centimeter square. All right,